Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet, tap Add to Wallet, and now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Enter Transport Pass and select your transit way. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually, then simply select Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card. Similar to loyalty card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the home page. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.